Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger an SMS AI agent using Ruby. By the end of this video, you'll have an SMS AI agent for payment support that your Ruby application can trigger over HTTP in Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Head over to Build and under Agents, start typing your prompt to define what you want the AI agent to do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered SMS AI agent that assists customers for converting their payments into EMI and other financial matters. The agent should notify the customer regarding the EMI and other financial status, answer common questions about installment amounts, interest rates, and foreclosure options, and clearly guide them through the next steps. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your SMS agent. Now open the API Request Trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a user clicks Convert to EMI on your website. Next, click on the language drop-down on the right. For this video, let's select Ruby. Plivo generates a ready-made Ruby snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone Ruby script or from within your application to make an HTTP POST request to the agent endpoint whenever an EMI conversion request is submitted. Now let's test it locally. Paste the Ruby snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a POST request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your SMS AI agent. Let's have a look at how the conversation looks once the user submits an EMI request on their platform. And that's it! Your SMS AI agent for payment support is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Ruby application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and handle payments-related queries automatically via SMS.